Hi, aloha everyone. My name is Ferdinand. Just want to share with you my excitement today. And finally, I reached my goal of being a leader one. Yes, thank you to the support of my manager Willie, the encouragement, and also to the support of my team here in Hawaii and one in Florida. I'm so excited to let them know the achievement I've got, and I got my bonus. I just made this video because I kind of excited, really excited. So I'm looking forward to work more on TTM, continuously follow the policy philosophy and the development that we're trying to strive for the company. I'm willing to stay longer for this company, for the success also. Their success is our success. So for those who are actually looking for more stable, I can call it a passive income. It really helps me. It really helps me from the beginning. And what else I can say? Sometimes I just mental block. I don't know. I'm just so excited. But anyway, again, thank you very much for everybody. And for those who asking, how did I did it? Well, actually, like I said, it's easy. Just follow the philosophy, the workmanship, and the positive attitude. Don't lose hope, and try to help the company to develop by informing other people about TTM. Then once you have the pool of people who join, even the trial, start focusing now on their success, on their moving up. And you cannot deal with them at the same time. You can try it one person at a time, and like what I did. Be patient, and finally I got that 5 people to level up to level T2. Okay, so now my focus is to invite more people, and for my T2 now to encourage them to level up, and also have at least my T2 to support them in becoming and also a leader like me. Okay, thank you very much.